Alright, I'm just about to leave Onomichi Island. This guest house was Miura Goten. Amazing guest house. So many volunteer workers, so many nice people. I made heaps of friends. Tried a bunch of new food on this island. Very nice people all around this island and very beautiful. I'm going to the island next door, which is Ikuchi Island, to a guest house called, well, like a hotel guest house called Bonapool. It looks pretty crazy. It's like a futuristic looking building, quite out of place, honestly, but that's the reason I had booked it. I'm only there 2 nights because I couldn't stay longer. It was booked out afterwards. And then I'm moving to another hotel that's right next to that one. I'm calling those things hotel, guest house, hostels, but I don't really know the proper terms, nor do I really care. So don't get it confused. It's actually 3 buses to get to where I'm going. I just took one for just 5 minutes just to cross the bridge. So now I'm on the right island, but the bus I took doesn't go on the island itself. So now I'm waiting for the local island bus. I must say it's a little bit tricky with my bags around Shikoku. Most trains and buses in Shikoku don't accept the IC card, which is the card you can use across all public transport in Japan. So you have to pay cash on entry. The buses are a bit narrow, so you enter, you grab a little piece of paper with the number. Then at the end, you gotta use the machine at the front, paying in cash with all the coins. So it's a little bit tricky. As you just saw, it's a pretty random spot. It's like very futuristic in a very old village with a ton of old people around. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm mostly gonna be using it to edit. It's got very good Wi-Fi, it's got a nice lounge area, but other than that, I'm not so excited about it. And yeah, whenever I arrive at a spot, I'm grumpy for some reason. I must just be tired. I shut up, I was grumpy. I'm grumpy right now. But I'm gonna try and find somewhere to swim. There isn't even anywhere to swim around here. Apparently it's 40 minutes to the closest beach, which is pretty lame. Otherwise I might just swim somewhere I'm not allowed to. found a spot. I don't know if I'm allowed. I'm right next to like a metal painting machinery thing. So maybe not the cleanest water, but what a view. What a view. I'm gonna go look for food now. Somehow that was the most modern supermarket I've been to so far. Everything was self-checkout, English available as well, and was even speaking in English, which is pretty crazy because I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, that felt like right back at home because back in New Zealand it's almost all self-checkout now. Itadakimasu. Man, bento is the best. That was 350 yen. I just ate salmon. Got like a patty. Got a croquette. Got 3 types of rice. Tempura, egg. It's the next morning. I slept in again. It's 10:30. I don't think I'm allowed to shower between 10 and 4 because they do the cleaning. So yeah, today I'm really just gonna stay in my PJs and edit all day long. There's no one else here except like a dozen cleaners. And yeah, it does feel a little bit like I'm not supposed to be here. Because I come shower, I don't see anyone else, and there's just cleaners roaming everywhere. Anyways, right now I'm eating an onsen tamago. I was having eggs every morning for a while, and then I found out about these. They are poached eggs. I believe they are poached inside an onsen, a natural source of hot water. I guess that's why they call them that, unless that's a lie. Yeah, they're cheaper than normal cooked eggs or soy eggs or anything. Personally, I think poached eggs are the best type of eggs as well. And they come with little packets of sauce. Put it on top. Yum. I really like these. Every time I eat them, people are like, did you just eat a raw egg? And I'm like, no, this is onsen tamago. That was a big day of editing. I started around 12, I think, and it's almost 7 p.m. Spent all day on that balcony, just grinding. I got a lot done. I didn't have lunch. I just had a small breakfast. So now I'm gonna go back to the supermarket I was at yesterday. Alright, I just moved accommodation. I dropped off my bag at the new one. It was only like a 5-minute bus ride from where I was, which was cool. But I did come to the realization, the obvious one, that yeah, I need to get rid of some of my luggage. It is too much of a struggle. I think the concept was cool. I think I do need everything, but I don't need everything right now. So the plan is, I hit up my mate in Tokyo. I asked him, yo, can I ship a bag to your place and can you hold on to it? I hope he says yes. I'll get rid of the cabin bag. I'll put all my winter clothes in there. I'll put my 2 laptops in the backpack one and I'll make it work. Because yeah, it shouldn't be frustrating to move weekly. It's like I have one day every week where I get frustrated and that is not cool. I know I'm gonna get frustrated. I do every time. I struggle. I get to a new accommodation in a bad mood and that is not what I'm here for. So let's fix this. I need to like work on my mindset a bit. I need to stop worrying about stuff and getting stuck in those loops for no reason. And I think I take notice of it a lot, but I don't really act upon it. I think whenever I notice it, I just need to fight it. I think there's really 2 approaches to this type of stuff. You can do the meditation way, which I usually tend to do, where you notice and you sort of forget about it. But I think with a few things in life, I've realized that getting over it is one thing, but sometimes you have to fight it. And I want to fight it. I want to actively change my mindset. So that's what I'm doing. Today the weather is bad, but it's good. I can't swim anywhere, but I will. Type of shit. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear on YouTube, but I'm doing it. Bye. So, like I already established, I'm in Setoda on Ikuchi Island. One thing about this place is they produce the most lemons in Japan. And yesterday I walked past that big yellow building right by the mall and they have signs claiming to have the best lemon cakes around. The place is called Shimagokoro. I'm gonna head there now and see what it's all about. All right, we made it to the lemon cake shop. It smells so good inside. Everything is lemon themed, all the seats, all the furniture and everything. Pretty funny. I didn't know what to expect. There was a lot more choice than I thought there would be. I thought there would be one man cake and just everyone getting that, but nah, there was a lot. So I think I got the most famous common one, a little lemon cake, and then I got a sorbet as well. It is so hot. I don't think it's even over 20 degrees or so, but it's really humid and hot. Like I'm sweating. I don't usually sweat. So yeah, sorbet sounds good. That cost me 800 yen for the 2. So let's try this. Not bad. It's like a madeleine, that French thing that is almost shaped the same as well. It's a little dry, honestly. It's warm as well. I think it was freshly cooked. And there is tiny bits of dried lemon inside. It is not as lemony as I expected. Wow. Yeah, that one is so good. Wow, that's delicious. That might be the best ice cream I've ever had. It's like a frozen lemonade, but just straight lemon, like very natural tasting. Absolutely delicious. Cool. I just checked in Cycle Guest House Shiokaze. It's pretty cool. It's unstaffed, as you saw. I just entered by myself. I'm in my room right now. It's a dormitory for 4 people. Honestly, it's very tiny. But at the entry, I didn't see anybody else's shoes. I don't see anyone in the building. I'm hoping it stays that way, at least in my room. But yeah, there must be like 20 rooms like that. It's quite a big, long building.